6 years ago, we only had one system that would help business schools in their MBA accreditations. After that project, we started studying NAC, NIRF, AACSB and many more accrediting bodies. But to my surprise, we realized that most of the accrediting bodies require similar data points, same data, same processes. Then the question arises that if it is so much similar, then why are institutions still juggling between accreditations? Hence, after 6 years of hard work, after taking a lot of feedbacks and guidance from 50 plus senior academicians and lots of product iterations, today I'm extremely happy to launch the Studium Data Engine. This is inspired by the philosophy of one nation, one data. This is India's first quality assessment and intelligence platform. I am pretty sure this is going to change the perspective of how we all look at quality assurance and accreditations. So let us explore what this is.
This framework has simple 5 steps. Studying all the accreditations, Studium framework has inbuilt 150 measurable metrics. So if we work on these measurable metrics, we are making sure we are ready for all the accreditations. Step number 1, setting realistic targets. To set realistic targets against these 150 measurable metrics, Studium gives its benchmark platform through which you can compare yourself using NIRF data with your peer members. So, no longer opinionated target setting, but data-driven target setting can be implemented. Step 2. Disseminate your targets. After you set targets, disseminate it to the last stakeholder. This will help us to maintain absolute clarity of our institution. Step 3. This is the most important step. After dissemination, Studium platform enables you to capture 360-degree data of our institution without frustration and in seamless manner, and very important, on a monthly level. Step 4. After all the data is captured in the system, it gets rigorously verified through monthly process. Here is where the magic begins. So through real-time analysis, the deans, directors, HODs, vice chancellors, IPSC team can check where have they reached based on all the targets set for 150 measurable metrics. This solves all the questions around changing strategies, adding new initiatives, etc. Step number 5. Now that you have done all the implementation, the Studium platform enables you to generate reports of all the accreditations like NAC, NBA, AACSB, ICWIS, AMBA without any hassle. This live analysis helps us understand that where do we stand today, because what cannot be measured cannot be improved. We have already implemented this framework in 57 institutions so far. And if you want to evaluate the same for your institution, get in touch with us.